Right now, the clematis plant is on my balcony. Friends, just enjoy the profuse flowering. Our care, proper nutrition, and pest treatment will sure lead to a healthy plant like this. These days we have much sunshine, but few weeks ago there was heavy rainfall. Clematis plant need half day sunlight and much rainfall also. The leaves are barely visible, covered with white snow. Flowers have fragrance. I feel the fragrance whenever I'm here. 1 month before, I shared a video on clematis and told of showing you the seed formation of this flower. Hence, stay tuned until end to watch the seeds and the plant from seeds. 1 year ago, this pot was on terrace, but didn't receive sunlight properly. Then I shifted here on my balcony. The plant got its support, the morning sun and splashes of rain. Plants growing on ground can withstand itself under direct rain and under direct sunshine. But plants growing on pot need protection and definite care. Look at the rain, it's raining so heavily. This rain was 1 week before and helped the plant to grow and produce immense flowers. Rain actually doesn't stop here. Every alternate day we have rain in our city. Now let me show you the seeds. All flowers will not grow seeds. You may find few seeds on plant. Vinca plant rupture their seed pods and tiny seeds fall off. But here on clematis, no worry. The seeds remain attached to the plant. Here they are. The seeds look wonderful. They look too cute. आप देखिए दिखने में कुछ अलग ही है ना? There is a tail and this tail helps in dispersal. Now let me show you a plant which I have grown from seeds. You can watch that video, clematis growing from seeds. Click into I button. So this is the plant which I had grown from seeds, and 1.5 years ago the plant was very small, but this year it has grown into a large vine and it is growing, holding the support. The plant gets half day sun. The second half of the day it receives sunlight after 12 o'clock. So this is the plant growing pretty well, and so much flowers have also bloomed. So now I am back again to my balcony. Do not pluck the seeds from plant and do not deadhead spent flowers of clematis. If you want seeds, then you have to wait until the seeds mature. At the early stage they remain green, then it turns yellow, finally black. So friends, let the seeds mature on the plant. Okay, now let's know some conditions of growth. About the soil. The plant can grow in any kind of soil. Better don't use clay soil. Take your own city soil, add some compost, either vermicompost or cow dung compost. Add leaf compost, add little neem extract, add some amount river sand. जरूर पॉट के नीचे पेबल्स या छोटी छोटी 1 इंच कंकर बिछोए for good drainage of water. Some stems are gradually drying. This is natural. I have cut only the dried stems which have no flowers. Now about water requirement. Shower the plant, no harm. But if your plant is a small one, then be careful. Always remember, a new plant from nursery need water according to the plant's need. पौधे की उम्र, उनकी साइज, सिटी वेदर कैसा है, पॉट की प्लेसमेंट कहाँ है और पॉट को कितना घंटा सनलाइट मिल रहा है और सीजन कौन सी है, इन सब चीज़ों पे वाटरिंग निर्भर करता है. ऐसा नहीं कि पानी चाहिए तो डालते जाओ. अब सोच रही हूँ एक वीडियो बनाऊंगी हाउ टू वाटर प्लांट्स. Now about infestation. I have never found any kind of infestation on this plant. Maybe millibug attack or spider mites. Always spray neem oil mixed with soap water or any insecticide once a month. क्योंकि इनकी ज़्यादा पेस्ट अटैक नहीं होता तो इसलिए महीने में एक बार स्प्रे काफ़ी है. पर पोर्सिलेन और गुड़हल के लिए इस मॉनसून पे हफ्ता में एक बार इंसेक्टिसाइड ज़रूर डालें. अवश्य आपके पौधे पे इन्फेक्शन अगर ज़्यादा ना हो तो 15 दिन में एक बार स्प्रे ज़रूर कीजिए. For fertilizer, I will recommend mustard cake fertilizer in very diluted form. Dissolve 1 handful mustard cake in 2-liter water. Then after 3 or 4 days, add 10-liter or 15-liter water to the fertilizer. Make it dilute. Stir well and then apply to dry soil of the plant. उसी दिन आप सारे पौधों को ये लिक्विड फर्टिलाइज़र दीजिए, लेकिन सबकी सॉइल ड्राई होनी चाहिए। अगर आप केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र देना चाहते हैं तो DAP, पोटैश और SSP सबको 1:1:1 रेशियो में मिलाइए और सिर्फ 1 स्पून डालिए महीने में एक बार। इनको आप ड्राई या पानी में घोल के भी दे सकते हैं। So that's all for today, friends. See you soon on my next episode. Subscribe my channel. Lots of love from Garden Hill.